maisha.
Kambi mar fwambo gi keyo mar Royal Media Services ochako rieny kende ute mag fwambo mapacho ka to moloyo kokalo yore mag tudruok mag mbui e bwo platform mare mar Citizen Digital. Citizen Digital noyangi kaka maberie moloyo higani e romo mar 14 Marketing World Awards tielo ma Kenya. Nyasi ma kamano manotimore Nairobi nokelo kanyakla kidienje madongo mag tudruok e yor mbui mawuok e Afrika ma ugwe mar hingo yore mag tudruok e alworano. Higani nobedo maber ne Citizen bang' Kambi owuon kod jotijene yudo mich mopogore opogore kaka jogo matiyo maberie moloyo. Rene Makau noyangi kaka jauso maberie moloyo mar higa eka Royal Media Services oyudo loch e rang'iny mar Brand Manager Events.
We can only thank Kenyans for making us #1. Thank you so much for helping us translate our dominance in TV and radio into the digital space. So we continue to count on you and to rely on you to stay tuned. Download your Citizen Digital app and follow us for fact-checked information and news. Of course, these awards can never happen on their own. You know, digital transformation is a journey that encompasses a lot of people, the teams back at Royal Media Services. We thank you and honor you all. From our leadership, Dr. S.K. Macharia, Mrs. Gadhoni Macharia, we honor you. Our CEO, Washira Waruru, we are so grateful. Our fellow directors all across the departments and every hard-working staff member of Royal Media Services across all the units, these wins are for you.
Tunashukuru sana kwa Wakenya. Tunataka kusema asante kwa kutuamini na kuamini platform zetu za digitali na za TV na kutufanya tuwe #1 na kwa mapenzi yenu kusema ukweli. Na zaidi hapo tunataka kushukuru viongozi wetu wa Royal Media Services, chairman wetu SK Macharia, vice chair wetu Madam Purity Gadhoni and na CEO wetu pia Washira Waruru. Asanteni sana kwa support yenye mnatupatia kila siku.
Erokamano nyako Ramogi, magi gin weche manyien mag migago. Wabiro ni achiel kachiel kowuok Communication Center Nairobi. Aneno ote mar Jo Dundo iwacho nobudho maber kanyo ka unlaki sama gi jaodi Betty min Lensa kaito Lawi Wodadore mar Rinya inbe neno cheno makare kaito Patrick Ominde iluongo ni Senior Patrick Ominde mar Kisumu Central Station omor gi Ramogi TV. Milton Jaka Black and Morris Dianga Wood Kamgundo aneni maler odaka ka waneno chenro mar migago. Wakao yueyo bang' thuolo machuok waduogo gi mamoko.
This festive season, find your calm in the endless blue of the Maldives, where love and stillness live side by side. Because the most beautiful memories aren't rushed. They unfold in the quiet moments you share, where the waves whisper and time stands still. From just $2,210 per person sharing, enjoy 5 nights of barefoot serenity, crystal lagoons, and peace that stays with you long after you've left the island. This December, make space for peace, love, and gratitude. View Travel, memories that matter, memories that last.